Where do you begin when troubleshooting a fault in a PLC-controlled system? Most people immediately blame the PLC program.
In most cases, the problem comes from field devices, such as sensors, switches, and wiring. Understand this: syncing and sourcing. If current flows from switch to PLC, switch is source, PLC is sync. If current flows from the PLC to the switch, the PLC becomes the source, and the switch becomes the sync.
PLC manufacturers provide both syncing and sourcing input modules. Choosing the correct type is very important.
Most two-wire devices are passive. They do not require power and simply open or close a circuit. Three-wire devices are active devices. They require power to operate, such as proximity sensors.
Brown is positive voltage, blue is 0 volts, and black is the signal output.
A PNP sensor is sourcing and connects to a syncing PLC input. An NPN sensor is syncing and connects to a sourcing input. Input LEDs can be misleading. They may turn ON, even if voltage is incorrect. The only reliable method is to measure voltage. Always verify the actual signal using a multimeter.
Always verify the real signal. Understanding this will make troubleshooting much easier. Follow for more PLC and automation tips.